Hey guys, I'm back, and this really is going to be very quick. Little update on Everyday Carry Box, which I think is funny. I'm hanging out here with my boys and got all my supplies and junk in the background, sorry. But anyway, so I woke up to a couple emails from Jim Merriman, who runs Everyday Carry Box. The first one, and this is related to my last review, the one that you guys just saw yesterday. So apparently, I'm assuming he saw it and was not happy with my review because I got the first email that told me that my subscription to Everyday Carry Box was canceled, followed by an email that said, "Sorry, we have not met your expectations." That's it, which is pretty funny. So, you know, I didn't cancel my subscription. So I guess rather than improve the quality of what's in the box, the dude's plan is, I'll just cancel your subscription so you can't say anything is bad about it anymore. That's basically it? Yeah. So he canceled my subscription for me, which is awesome. I just thought that I would put that out to the world, that's business at Everyday Carry Box, I guess. Related to you know, what people have kind of been putting out there and what they'd like to see, I have picked up Blade and Barrel, so we'll give that a shot. So I'm not sure exactly when it's going to ship. I'm fairly confident. I got the order in prior to the 15th cutoff date. So hopefully in the beginning of the month we'll get the box and we'll see what goes on. But like I said, I just had to share that humorous little few emails I got this morning from EDC Box. So I guess we are officially done with it now. Yeah. And I don't feel bad about that at all. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you. You're all awesome. And I'll be back again real soon.